Good morning, everyone. We have here employee relations. Example, 10 strategy tips. So we have here 10 strategy tips to have a good employee relations. Okay, so you have there 10 examples. So isa-isahin natin yan. Okay, so we have there number 1, workplace conflict management. A critical aspect of employee relations can ensure respectful resolution of disagreements and improve team dynamics. Yes. Number 2, employee onboarding. Effective integration of new hires into a company sets the stage for future employee relations. Number 3, labor relations. Constructive negotiations and dispute resolutions with employee unions ensure fair treatment and contribute to harmonious work environment. Yes, acknowledging the labor resolutions. 4, workplace health and safety. Kailangan din ang health and safety sa workplace. Kailangan ng mga worker to have a good relations. Prioritizing health and safety fosters trust, creates a safe work environment, and strengthens employer-employee relationships. Yes. Pag na-focus ng company ang workplace health and safety, magkaroon na magandang relasyon ang mga workers at saka employer. Next, absenteeism. Managing unexplained or unnecessary absences is vital for maintaining fairness, consistency, and positive employer relations. Okay. So, kailangan mamanage natin ang absenteeism ng mga employee. Number 6, insubordination. Addressing employees' disregard for authority or rules maintains a balance between upholding discipline and cultivating a healthy work environment. Yes, insubordination. Pag ma-address ka agad ng employer ang mga ang disregard for authority ng mga employee, ito ay isang magandang disiplina na magkakaroon ng healthy work environment. Pag-usapan. 7, employee misconduct. Swift and fair response to misconduct contributes to an ethical work environment and promotes trust among employees. Yes, kailangan kung may misconduct sa mga employee, kailangan i-address ka agad at saka magiging fair ang pag-address ng mga misconduct ng mga employee. Number 8, employee well-being. Understanding and addressing employee well-being needs improves relations by enhancing productivity, loyalty, and engagement. Yes. Pag maganda ang well-being ng mga employee, magtrabaho yan siya ng maganda. At pag maganda ang trabaho, mayroon silang magandang produkto. At kung maganda ang treatment sa mga employee, maging loyal yan sila. At magkaroon ng magandang engagement. Number 9. Okay. So those are the different employee relations. 10 strategy tips for employee relations. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share our video. Follow for more. God bless.